Hi everyone, welcome back once again. Today's video is going to be beetroot cake. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So I have half cup of yogurt, sugar, vegetable oil and 1 egg. I have half cup of milk powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, baking powder and cocoa powder. I have all my beetroots and then I have all-purpose flour. So I'm going to start by peeling my beetroot. And after that, I'm just going to cut it into smaller chunks. And then I'm going to rinse it in the water. And now in my blender, I'm just going to add in all the ingredients together and blend. So I just add my oil and then I'll add my beetroot, yogurt, egg. Is 1 egg, but this egg came with 2 yolks, sugar, milk powder, cocoa powder and my vanilla extract. So I'm just going to blend all together into a very fine smooth paste. And that is done. I'll set it aside. Meanwhile, I'll just add a bit of oil into my baking bowl and I'm just going to rub it all around. And after that, I'll just place in my baking sheet. And then I'll set it aside. I have already preheated my oven and I'll be baking it on a medium heat for 20 to 25 minutes. So in another clean bowl, I just add or transfer in my blended ingredients. And then I'll be adding my flour. So I just add the flour with the baking powder together and I'm going to be sieving in bit by bit. I'm not going to add in all at once. And then gently I'll just fold it together and mix it very slowly. You don't need to overwork this. So to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. And if today is the first time of clicking to this channel, you are highly welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit on the notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'm just going to add in the last one and then fold it very gently until all is well mixed together. And that is done. So I'm just going to transfer it to the bowl. And after that, I'm just going to place it in the oven, and I'm going to be baking it for 20 to 25 minutes. And it's been 25 minutes now, and it is done. So I'm just removing it from the baking bowl, and I'm just going to allow it to cool down. Meanwhile, I'm going to make a whipping cream. So in my bowl, I'll add in 1 cup of whipping milk. And I'll be whipping it until it is solid enough. So here we are, it is done, and the cake is cold enough. So make sure while doing this you allow the cake to cool down very well. And all is well covered with our whipped milk. And I'm just going to cut a piece, and I will see how all is looking like. So as you can see, all is well done, and the cake is ready to be served. So I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, comment, and don't forget to stay safe. I will see you all in my next one.